G'day mates, today we are making a crunchy, chewy, oaty, coconutty biscuit, have a rich history and an even richer flavour. So put your apron on and let's get baking. So our dough has two main components, a dry mix and a syrup. We're going to combine flour, oats, coconut and baking powder. So we're just going to use a whisk to combine these. So over here we're going to add the sugars, golden syrup, water, salt and oil. So we're just going to whisk these until they're really well combined, and we just want to whisk it until it's really creamy. So all the sugar has dissolved and our oil has become incorporated in the mix. Call this the syrup. You can just mix everything until it's really nicely combined. Every last bit of flour has been incorporated. Thick dough. If you're feeling daring, you can go ahead and roll it into 60-gram balls. Otherwise, just let it rest for about 30 minutes to firm up a bit more. Alright, so our dough has firmed up nicely. We're just going to weigh it into 60-gram balls. I like to weigh everything for consistency, but a scoop will do a great job too. So we just want to give about 2 inches between each cookie and about 1 inch from the tray because they will spread nicely. They're going to puff up beautifully and then also sink and crack. One of the great tricks for perfectly round cookies is to just take a cutter that's a bit bigger than the cookie, and while it's still very hot, just roll it around the edges. In most cases you don't need to, but if you want that extra bit of, I don't know, perfection, you can go ahead and do that. This biscuit has a kind of almost mythical status in Australia and New Zealand, and it's one of my favourite sweet treats to indulge in.